Students, today I will teach you class 7th chapter 1st sentence and its types. Let's start. Okay students, look at the word. I have given 4 different words. This is a book. If we will join these words, then it will become a sentence. Sentence with a complete sense. Like this is a book. By joining these 4 words, it become a sentence with the complete sense. Now I will give you definition of that. A sentence is a group of words that make the complete sense is called sentence. As up I have told you that by joining the 4 different words or any 2-3 words, we can make a sentence. I have given some more examples. Ram is a naughty boy. Priya is a girl. This is a car. Now you have understand that how to make a sentence. Now we will move forward. We will read about the kinds of sentence. The sentences are mainly divided into 5 types. Assertive sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence, optative sentence. We will discuss further about this. Is assertive sentence. You can see that assertive sentences are further divided into 2 types: positive assertive sentence and negative assertive sentence. First I will give you examples, then we will go further. Example of positive assertive sentence. The children are playing. He has a beautiful bike. You can see that there is a positive way, simple sentence, the children are playing and he has a beautiful bike. Now we will move further to negative sentence. I do not eat junk food. Mr. Joshi is not writing. Here in negative sentence, not is defined. You can see that there is not in negative means that everything is in negative form. Of assertive sentence. A sentence that make a statement, describe about the things or an event is called assertive sentence. This is also known as declarative sentence. The second name of the assertive sentence is declarative sentence. A sentence that tells us about the full statement or the full sentence is called assertive statement. You can see that assertive statement is divided into 2 types, positive and negative. I will give the example same as the way in positive and negative. First positive, they are going to park, the teacher is teaching the student. And now negative, you did not play any match, she will not go to the school tomorrow. In negative, again not is there, so it is negative form. Second type is imperative sentence. Imperative sentences are also divided into 4 parts: command, request, prayer, wish. Mostly imperative sentences are depend on command, request, prayer and wish. Now first examples. Please bring me a glass of water. Please. A please word describe that it is request. Stand up straight, command. Stand up straight, it defines that one has given command to other. Wear your gold necklace with that dress. It is advice. Someone has given advice. Please join us for dinner. Invitation. It shows that we have given invitation to someone. Please. Please can be for used for request also or for invitation also. Definition of imperative sentence. A type of sentence that show advice or instructions or expresses a request or command is known as imperative sentence. As previous I have told you that imperative sentence also depend on command, request, prayer and wish. Some few examples of imperative sentences. Please give me your notebook. Please, again there it means request. Go to your class, it means command. You should consult the doctor, it means advice. Complete your work on time, it means instruction. Mostly imperative sentences are based on command, request, prayer and wish. Type is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences are also divided into 2 parts: beginning with the helping words, beginning with the WH group of words. First, beginning with the helping words. Helping words are is, am, are, was, were, has, have, do, does, did, had, can, may. These are the helping words. Beginning with the WH groups of words are 7 WH words. You know that: what, why, how, when, where, who, whose, and whom. There are 6 WH words and 1 H word. Example of helping words: has he played in the match? Should he come to meet us? Did you acknowledge the letter day before? You can see that the beginning of the sentence is with the helping word, as, has, should, did, and the sentences end with the question mark sign. You know that interrogative sign? That sign. Beginning with the WH words of words: where do you want to go today? What is your name? Who is your favorite teacher? There is where, what, who, and the end of this sentence is also with the interrogative sign. Definition of interrogative sentence: a sentence that asks a question is known as interrogative sentence. A interrogative sentence is always followed by question mark. Interrogative sentence is known by question mark. Example of interrogative sentence. Examples will be also divided into 2 parts: helping verbs and WH words. Helping words and WH words, as I have told you up. Now examples: would he help us? Will she be able to come first in the class? You can see that helping words would, will, and end with question mark sign. WH words: how have you spent your time? Why did you leave her at night there? WH words start with how, why, and end with interrogative sign. That's all. Type is exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences also based on 2 types: emotions and excitement. Examples of exclamatory sentence: what a lovely flower it is. How noble he is. Well done. This sentence shows that someone emotions, excitement, there can be feeling of sorrow, joy, etc. The exclamatory sentence always ends with exclamatory sign. Now definition of exclamatory sentence: a sentence that expresses some strong emotions or sudden feeling as the excitement, it is known as exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence always end with the sign of exclamation. You can see that I have marked it with yellow color, the sign of exclamation. Exclamatory sentence also depend on the 2 types I have tell you, that emotions and excitement. Now examples based on emotion and excitement: how well he paints. It shows that one's excitement. What a boring play it is. One sad emotion. What a horrible scene. One's emotion. Fantastic, let's go. Again one's excitement. Fifth and the last type is optative sentence. Optative sentence also divided on based on 2 things: prayer and the wish. Examples: may God bless you, wish you a happy journey, wish you a successful life. You can see that the examples are based on prayer and wish. May, wish, wish. It is a sign of some prayer or wish. And the main thing is that optative sentence also end with exclamation sign. Definition of optative sentence: optative sentences are those in which wishes are made. In which wishes are made, as up I have told you that it ends with the sign of exclamation. This also I have told you. Example: may you live long, wish you a happy life, may your team won the match. May, wish, and may are the words based on prayer and wish. Note: the sentence mainly starts with may or wish. Optative sentence mainly start with word may or wish and ends with exclamation. That's all for today. Thank you.